Samsung has just decided to enroll the One UI 2.0 for Samsung Galaxy S9 users, and it is currently live in India as well as the Korea. Now, it is a really major update for S9 users and they're really excited for this. I'm one of them, and it is around 1.8 gigs in India and it has a lot of potential updates in it. And the South Korean company has kicked off its One UI 2.0 beta in the country to let the S9 and S9 Plus users to see all the changes that are planned for the next year alongside the expansion in India. Samsung has started allowing its users in South Korea to enroll for the One UI Beta 2.0. The One UI Beta program to test the Android 10 was initially launched for the S10, S10e and the S10 Plus. So it is available right now and we shall be seeing it with the update on beta in other regions as well, and it is reported that it is also available in UK for unlocked devices, and I'm really skeptical if it's true, but I've seen on Reddit that it is live, so it might be live. That was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, and share it and subscribe for more videos like this. I will be making a full review when the beta is enrolled in my country as well, so make sure to keep a look for that one as well. Peace out.